Hey, what's up Chainlink holders? Before I starting Chainlink live price prediction, I see something about giveaway. I do giveaway of 100 Chainlink coins. So just you complete 3k subscriber, my 3k subscriber, and then I make special video for Chainlink giveaway. So let's get start a Chainlink. You just subscribe ABS Tech channel for completing 3k subscriber. I do a giveaway, okay, and special video I make it. Okay, so let's start a live price prediction. Okay guys, so you can see here the last 1 hour change of a Chainlink. This is where it absolutely goes wrong. Minus 0.04% absolutely goes down. But if you can see here, the US dollar is going upward. 27.06 US dollar as the price of one Chainlink coin. So what you say, this is going upward? Absolutely goes upward. So let's see here the last 12 hour result. Hope the last 12 hour result absolutely goes good. So let's see. Oh my goodness, you can see here the change absolutely goes good. You can see here plus 1.01% absolutely goes good. You can see here the changing of price absolutely good. 27.46 US dollar absolutely got good. So let's see here the last 7 days. I hope the last 7 days. Let's see the last 7 days price. Oh my goodness, they are going downwards. So you can see here you can check it. First of all, you can check it the graph result. You can see here the graph result is going downward, but you can see here from here absolutely going upward, starting upward, absolutely starting upward, not going downward. I hope the last 7 result. You can see here the 31.22 US dollar, absolutely very high price of one coin of Chainlink. You can see here 31. So their price has changed into 27 US dollar. Why? So you can see here the back changes as minus 11.81%, absolutely very bad change. You can see here. So let's see the last 1 month results. So I hope the last 1 month result absolutely, you can see here the last 1 month result as good. The last 1 month result as good. There is absolutely good price. You can see here 31.84 US dollar, and the change is absolutely good. But at the same days, you can see here the single days. You can see here the last 1 hour result absolutely very bad. You can see here the changes as goes down, but the last 1 hour result is good, starting good. I hope there you can see here in the graph absolutely going upward. So this is good. So I hope in the last few days they can cross easily 30 US dollar. What you say, they cross $30 and to Monday? What you say, please comment us and keep touch with us and subscribe ABS Tech channel for a Chainlink giveaway. Okay, Chainlink giveaway is coming soon. You just complete 3k subscriber. Okay, let's see, I make special video for giveaway. Bye bye, see you next time.